How do you feel about rewards in the classroom? Extrinsic motivation results from the use of external factors like rewards. On the other hand, intrinsic motivation comes from an internal sense of enjoyment and satisfaction. While we want our students to be intrinsically motivated, it can take time to develop for some students. Rewards, if used appropriately, can move that process along. What makes a good reward? You may have already determined that the reward needs to be meaningful to the individual student. It's important to learn about each student's interests in order to choose rewards that will motivate them. Don't feel like you need to spend a lot of time or money on rewards for your students, though. While fun stickers, edible treats, or small toys are motivating for many students, so is praise or moments with you or their friends. Some of your most engaging activities or instructional games can act as incentives as well. Remember, rewards are not a form of payment for work accomplished. They simply entice some of your students to complete tasks they otherwise wouldn't. While it may be easier to use the same reward for all students for the same reason, use caution. Rewarding a student for something they're already motivated to do can have the opposite effect. If you give all your students the same reward for completing work, you risk damaging the intrinsic motivation of those students who already enjoy it. They may be less eager to complete their work because they now expect a reward for it. Maybe for those students, the reward comes in knowing how well they performed. On the other hand, some students who experience difficulty may need extrinsic motivation in the form of rewards. When, how, and what to use to reward students is an ongoing question, and the answer changes as often as your students' skills and interests. Use rewards thoughtfully to help your students become intrinsically motivated.